how to adjust header margins in Word. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up in order to do so. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video and get started. So we can start by opening up Word, search for Word and open up that application. And to adjust it, you're mainly changing how far the header from the top of the page, and here are the exact steps. So go ahead and open up your document. And once you open up your document, go over to the page layout option. So look out for the layout option in the top of the menu and click on the option called margins. Once we click on it, we can just go over and click on this option called custom margins at the very bottom. And in the window that opens up, look out for the section called header. So go ahead and find header. So look out for layout option, and there you should be finding a headers and footer section. So what we can do is we can just go over and change the value. So we can change it to 2 centimeter, for example, and the footer to any size that you need, and click on OK. And when you do, it will apply the changes this way. Apart from that, we can directly do it from the header as well. So double click at the top of the page to open up the header, and when you do, you can just go over and find the header from the top option, header and footer section. You can click on it and select the option of header from top and go ahead and adjust the value from up and down. And that's it. Usually these are the methods you can follow up. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.